In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin a reel on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then navigate to your profile, and then you will be able to hit at that Reels icon to show up all your Reels. And then if you want to pin a Reel at your Reels tab, all you have to do is just hold down your finger at a Reel until it comes up, and then just hit where it says pin to your Reels. And what that will do, that will pin that Reel at the top of your Reels tab. That will move that Reel at the very first position, and that's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.